Hey, all my decor beauties, you already know what's up. The season is here, guys. Joann's currently have 50% off, so you need to come and get it. Look all this orange, y'all. Orange everywhere. And they almost sold out, apparently, as you can see. But not yet, y'all. Look at all these beautiful natural color fall flowers. They're so nice. I mean, this is a nice setup for your dining room, your island, your nightstand. Like, yes, let's get it. Yikes, that's a no. So right now I'm currently looking for something specifically for my dining room table. I'm ready. I'm ready to decorate for the fall and get like a tablescape set up. Is that what it's called? Tablescape? I think so. But anywho, yeah, I'm here. I'm looking for like a neutral with like a black for like the contrast. Like I never really did it before, like on like a whole different level. But my mom is like a pro at tablescapes, so I'm definitely gonna get some inspiration from her for sure. Yay, I'm finding stuff, y'all. Yes, y'all, I finally took my time and I picked out very specific things that I like and colors that's going to give me the contrast that I need for the table. Okay, let's go. And then I was having too much fun because this cop started following me. Oh, shit. So this picture here is from Pinterest. It's sort of my inspiration for my table, but I just need to add more fall flowers, you know, a little And this is a little sneak peek, y'all. Ooh, stop playing with her. Listen, baby. 8 down. I'm doing a full tutorial on this video and how it all came together, y'all. Make sure you guys hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload this fire video, y'all. Thanks for tuning in.